Hey my fans, it is NASCAR fan, and today we're going to be playing another Roblox video. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading Roblox videos in a while, but we're going to be playing Tornado Alley. Now, I've loved this game. Like, it's been one of the games this is like a 2017 rewind, because this is like one of the first ever games I ever played. I'm surprised people are not going for this. Like, yesterday when I played this, everyone wanted to go for this. I'm gonna go for oh no, this one's gonna win. Interstate. I'm not gonna say that just in case it's copyrighted. I'm gonna close the door. You give me a sec, guys. So if the video is not laggy, which I'm hoping it's not, I'm on a new computer. I'm hoping I can get live streams working on this one. Your Doom back into... No, don't tell me this one's is Doom. Your Doom. Let's see. Oh, this infest... Oh, so this one's a fiery NATO. So this one's gonna cause fire. Okay, here we go. Survived a tornado engulfed in flames. Run! Run! Run, little guy! Is being reported throughout Robloxia. Okay. There's a tornado on fire. Where's my... This is my shop. Aw. Okay. Sorry, guys. It's just... I had a long day of schoolwork, so that's why I couldn't. Because we have those new online schools. New tornadoes. Huh? Oh, God. Hang on, I don't know if the gravity... no, that'll just make my mouse, like, really laggy. Look at all the fire! Holy cow! Oh god, where's the tornado? I don't know which way it's coming because this new computer has different sound quality. Okay, that's a little too close. Don't come this way, please. Don't come this way. Don't come this way. Okay, it's going the other way. It's going the other way. I could jinx myself, though. Like I did in the last video when I was eating toxic waste. Okay, yep, I jinxed it. I jinxed it. Run! Where am I supposed to go? Okay. 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 Live. Just, someone live. Just getting died. Oh, that's kind of rude. Whoa! That was stressful. Like, very stressful. Alright, well, it's done. The storm has blown over. We'll provide more information in the future. Look at all this fire! Holy cow! I'm guessing people survived. I'm surprised I don't. Oh, only a couple survivors. How long have we been recording? 5 minutes. Okay, we might do like 1 or 2 more rounds. That was a bit insane, though. Someone is now history. Okay. So here are all the unstoppable. That's 1. Rain wrapped. I never heard of that one before. Retronado. Another one I do not know. Is there gonna be like retro trains coming out? Oh, you're doomed. I played that one before. It's so hard. I only survived 1. Z's. Wait, was that the one where like there was like yesterday I played one and there was like so much more lightning in one place. Now it's 4 nados. No, we're gonna play the new map so I can show you guys it. Even though you guys must be like, oh, why are you selling a new map? I'm just showing it to new people. The music's so calm. Okay, so we're going to the new map. Blocks University. Oh, now my friends are texting me on Discord. How is that not bad? I was surrounded by fire. Some people escaped. Oh, of course, triple threat. Triple threat. So in case you guys don't play this game, triple threats is 3 tornadoes. We also got 4 nados, double trouble, normal survival, chompnado, which is sharks. The last one we played was infested, I think. Oh god, don't break your leg. I would actually be mad if I broke my leg, cause you know, breaking your leg is not good. As we're slowly approaching, clouds begin to be developed. Oh god. I should probably get down. I do not want to be on a tree. Oh. Can people stop texting me on Discord? Hang on a sec. I'm going to put myself on Do Not Disturb. Oh my god. If you guys can hear it in the background. Well, I am on Do Not Disturb. So I'll just deal. Actually, I'm gonna put myself there. Right there. I am right there. Like, you see me? Where my mouse cursor is? Oh. No, I kind of like this music. It's good. Alright, where are the tornadoes forming? Where is it? Oh, you're kidding, right? You're actually kidding! EF4, EF4, and EF2! Run! They were touching down! Literally, like 5, maybe even less than 5 feet in front of me! Oh, okay, I'm not, okay. Alright, I have Oh, jeez. I was not pressing W. Whoa! Whoa! There goes flying trees. Come on. Run! Run! Jump! Come on, little dude. You can make it. I'm going to. How are you supposed to survive three tornadoes? Like, that's impossible. Okay! Nope, no, no, no. No, I died! Are you kidding me? Well, I died by Mother Nature. Oh. Rip me. Yeah, I know. Alright, I'm gonna try my skills. What the heck is this? So I just re-entered the map. Oh god, no. Why did I do that? Why was it testing? That was honestly quite dumb. Yeah. Ah. You know what? We need to do this. Come to me, tornado! What? What? What was that? There was no way I was gonna survive that. Oh god. I'm trying. Come back, tornado! The one time I want to be sucked in by a tornado, it doesn't let me. That's sad. Yes. Oh! Come back! Come back! Oh. I just got flung. I doubt anyone survived that because there's only 5 people in my server. Actually, how long have we been recording? What? There's an extra disaster forming. What? There's a tsunami approaching. What? Oh god, the tornado. I mean, not the tornado. The tsunami. There's a building right over there. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. I can see it. Holy cow! No, I did not mean to fall! Quick jump! Oh geez, I'm dead. I was about to say I survived, but no I didn't. Well, that was good. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the video here. How much damage did that cause? We have to see how much damage that caused. Yeah, no one survived. Is someone hurt their leg in real life? Okay guys, so I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash the like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye!